Valuing a real world asset, a building, a painting, a gold bar, usually takes a week, costs thousands, and comes down to one person's opinion. Verdicto changes that. Multiple AI analysts independently evaluate the same asset, compare their findings, and reach a consensus all in under a minute. This is the dashboard. You connect through your Casper wallet, and every action is recorded on chain. The sidebar gives you access to the full suite, gives you access to the asset valuation, lending insurance, prediction market, and on-chain oracle and a dispute system. Every product runs on the same analytical engine. Let's value an asset. You pick a category, real estate, fine art, or commodity, and describe what you're looking at. I will use this demo 10 ounce of gold bar, and its asking price is 23,500 US dollar. When you are ready, you pay a small fee and the analysis begins. While the analysis run, you can watch every step in real time, data being fetched, models being applied, comparison being made. On the left, the result comes in. Two independent valuation, one based on a comparable sales, the other on projected value, and they are close. The platform shows you exactly where they agree and where they diverge, with the final consensus value front and center. This is what make it more than a simple price lookup. Each analyst works independently using a different methodology. Comparable sale, discounted cash flow, market condition, historical precedent. Then a panel of reviewers check the work, data quality, market context, and historical cases. Every analyst explains their reasoning, and their final verdict is weighted by each one's track record. Every step is cryptographically signed and recorded. Let's go to borrow. Now let's put that valuation to work. Borrow lets you take a loan against any assessed asset. I will select this office tower. The system runs a fresh assessment, then calculates loan based on the asset type, market condition, and analyst confidence. When I approve, real CSPR is dispersed on chain and the collateral is locked. The health of the loan is monitored continuously. Let's go to Insure. Insure follows the same pattern. I will pick this gold bar. The system evaluates volatility, storage condition, and market exposure to produce a risk profile that determines your premium. Coverage detectable and tire are all calculated from the analysis. When you file a claim, the asset is reevaluated at that moment. If the loss is real, payout happens automatically. Let's go to confidence. Confidence turns the valuation engine to a prediction market. Ask a yes or no question. Will this property sell above a certain price? Will gold hit a threshold? Will appreciation outpace a target? The analysts wait in independently, and you get a consensus probability backed by a real market data. One CSPR per the query. You can try this out. Let's go to Oracle. This is Oracle, the backbone of the platform. Every assessment becomes a verifiable on chain price feed that any DApp on Casper can query. Verdicts stay fresh for 24 hours, and the system automatically triggers new assessment when they expire. It's a first party data with full audit trails, no third party dependencies. You can try this out. Let's go to dispute. If you think the oracle got it wrong, you can challenge it. Stake a small amount, provide your reasoning, and the system triggers a completely fresh analysis. If the challenge holds up, you get your stake back and the verdict is updated. If not, the stake is forfeited. It's a self correcting system. No central authority is needed here. You can try this as well. Let's go to agents. Every analyst has a public track record. You can see how each one performs across different asset type, and that performance directly influences how much weight their analysis carries in future verdicts. The history page ties it all together. A complete audit trail of every calculation, payment, and decision on the platform, all verifiable on the chain. The RWA market is projected to reach 30 trillion by 2030. every one of those assets needs a fair, transparent dispute resolution. Verdicto is building that code on Casper. Thank you.